What's up, guys or girls, whatever you may be? I am bringing you another video on a PC build. This one is going to be $700, and it is a little bit more pricey than the last one. Last one was more of a cheaper build, $300, but yeah, so this is if you have a little bit more money and you're looking for a decent recording computer. I mean, you could, honestly, you could go for a little bit more than this to get a better recording, but this will get you by. Alright, so let's get right into it. Alright, the first item on our list is the Western Digital 1TB desktop hard drive. This is a really reliable hard drive. It's one of the best out in the market right now if you're just looking for a 1TB. But if you think you're going to have this computer for a little bit longer, like a lot longer, and you're going to be using it and downloading a lot of things, maybe you want to go with the 2TB. I don't know, but yeah, so for $50 you can't go wrong with a terabyte, and if you want a little bit more, it's around $80-ish for a 2TB. Yep, let's get into the next item. Alright, for the second item is the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo. It's a CPU cooler. It's not water cooling, it's just a regular fan, as you can see by the picture. I personally have this fan in my PC, and it's great. I mean, it's never overheated, you know. You don't need it, but it's better just in case to keep it more cool so it doesn't overheat. But yeah, so it's really reliable. It's never broke on me. It's never, failed. You can even look in other videos. It's a decent fan for $30. Alright, for the third item on this list is the EVGA 600 watt 80 plus bronze. I used this on my last build because this is a reliable power supply. I've watched many videos on this, and it's just overall a decent budget power supply. And like I said in the other video, do not go cheap on a power supply. It will ruin your whole computer, or it has a chance to ruin your whole computer, and it can fry everything. You might need to buy whole new parts. So yeah, I mean, that's basically it for power supply. Alright, for the fourth item on this list is the EVGA GeForce GTX 960 4GB graphics card. And this is a good graphics card, the GTX 9 whatever series. It's a great series, the GTX 970, the 980. They're all great graphics card. They might be even one of the best known graphics card series. I have not had personal experiences, but I have seen video tests, and it looks great. I've seen it with Battlefield, Call of Duty, Grand Theft Auto, and it just looks absolutely great for this price. Alright, and for the fifth item on our list, it is the Gigabyte H97 Extreme Multi-Graphics motherboard. I have watched videos on this actually, and it's compatible with everything on our list. It's DDR3 RAM support. It's got 4 memory slots if you want to upgrade, and yeah, it's great. I mean, you can fit more than one graphics card in here. It's got a lot of upgradability, and it's really cheap. And for the sixth item on our list, it is the Intel i5 core processor. And it's just an overall great processor. It does what we need it to do, and yeah, it's no price range. Alright, let's get into the next item. Alright, and for the seventh item on this list, it is the Rosewood Dual Fan Micro ATX Mini Tower Case. I mean, it's simple. It's got LEDs if you care. It's got one in the back, one in the front, and yeah. It's got USB 2.0 support. Maybe not the best, but it's $35. And if we want it to go upwards, it's like $50, and you can get a little bit bigger of a case with 3.0 USB support. And for the final item on our list, it is the Kingston HyperX Fury 8GB 1600 MHz DDR3 RAM kit. I had this in my last video. I am going to continue to say this. It is a great set of RAM. I mean, I've seen a lot of reviews. A lot of computers have it. You could go to 16 gigabytes if you want, but you only really need 8 for the games that we have right now for 2016. So yeah, that's our last time on the list. For the overall summary of these parts, it is a great intermediate or starting your PC and you have a little bit more money. It's a great starting PC build. It has a lot of upgradability that you can later on, once you get more money, or if something happens, you can upgrade. It's really capable to do that. So thank you guys for watching. It has been the $700 gaming PC build. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye guys.